Word cloud generator using Canva for word shaped clouds. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely spectacular day. In this video, we're going to be talking about word clouds and how you can use Canva to, actually enhance your word clouds, or how you can use Canva to create elements that you can input your word clouds in. So, we're going to be talking about this in great depth and detail, so please do make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end to get the full general idea of how you're going to do this. So, to start things off, what you're first of all going to do is we're going to go on create a design. Okay, and you can go with any design. I would prefer 1080 by 1080. Okay, basic pixelated design. And once you go with a basic pixelated design, what you're going to do is you're going to add some type of illustration in it. Okay, so that illustration could be anything. In my case, or is it this video's case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply come over here and write an illustration. Make sure that it's dark in color. Okay, it needs to be a vector image and not like any of this, It needs to be dark in the color, dark in the center. So let's say I'm gonna write bird black illustration. Okay, so you're simply gonna write something like this. And it's gonna give you different illustrations of birds. Again, I'm gonna tell you the type of illustration that you want to choose, okay? So this is the type of stuff you want to go with. Something that has no color or anything, and you can actually see the details of this, okay, by adding this product to your design, and then you can actually go ahead and see illustration of a bird. So these are the type of things that you're going to want to add. And once you add this, you're going to expand it. And once we expand it, you're going to centralize it. And once you centralize and expand it, you can obviously go ahead and download it. And obviously, you can download more content like this. Like you can download a circle. In this case, you can download a square, triangle, whatever you want. But I chose a bird so we can get a more difficult design to work in. So I'm going to go on download, go on PNG, and click on download from there. And that is how the download starts. So, how do we actually convert it to a word cloud? So, you're going to go to wordclouds.com, obviously. So, here's word clouds. Wordclouds.com is right over here. Free online word cloud generator. Okay, pretty basic. So, what you're going to do is you are going to upload the actual picture. Okay, so first of all, it's going to render a word cloud over here. It's going to give you the type of word cloud you can go with. So you can choose the amount of words that you want to fit into the design. And obviously, we don't have any current image in this. So it won't necessarily give us a lot of designs to work in, right? So how do you add your very own image? Now, adding your very own image is pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to come over to this section, okay? So what you're going to do, first of all, to start things off, is you're going to make sure that all the options are applied properly. You're also going to make sure that the word list that you have, you can edit them properly so you have lorem ipsum, the basic texts. You can apply these texts by yourself later on. But to actually add an image, what you're going to do is you're going to go on File, and you're going to go on Word Cloud Background. Then once you go on Word Cloud Background, you're simply going to go ahead and add your very own image. So I'm going to go ahead on Browse, and obviously choose the image that I just downloaded. So choose this image for yourself. So once you've chosen the image that you want to actually go with, simply click on Apply. So once you click on apply, it's gonna obviously start rendering things, and once it starts rendering things, you can actually go ahead and start adding words in this. And you can select different shapes to, use your word cloud, and we're gonna click on upload over here. And here it says, the shape that you transport must have a transparent or white background. Now, in this case, our photo works pretty well, so I'm going to click on apply, and look at that. So the photo that we just uploaded, it started adding all the words in it, and that looks pretty nice, right? That looks pretty cool. And that's basically how you're gonna add your words into your word cloud design, and then you can simply come over to your word list and edit the actual words. And you can edit the words in bulk as well by adding a whole CSV file in this if you want to. You can multi-select different words to add more of them. You can delete selected words. It's pretty basic. It's pretty simple. And it gives you a very good general idea of how you're gonna work with word clouds. It's a pretty simple and fun little place to work around in. And yeah, that's basically how you're gonna create your word cloud. And I'm just gonna give you one more pretty quick example. Come back into the design section. Um, let's say I'm gonna write, let's go with a dinosaur illustration. So we're gonna write dinosaur illustration. So once we write that, it's gonna give me different dinosaur designs. Obviously, you're gonna go with a dinosaur with either a, fully black look background, and obviously, as I said, it needs to be fully black or something that needs to be filled with one color. If it's not filled with one color, then it won't work. This would have worked because as you can see, that's filled with one color, or yeah, this will work. So this will work really nicely. So just increase the size of the Tyrannosaurus. Once you do that, click on share. Once you do that, click on download. Download it in a PNG format as usual. And once we have the image over here, you're simply gonna come here and go on shape. Okay. Wait, let me just reload the page real quick so we start fresh. And once you do this, obviously to start off totally fresh, what you can simply do is you can create a new session on word clouds by simply just clicking on file. And you can, open up a new word cloud, blank canvas. Now, simply, I'm going to come here on shape, click on select shape. Once I do that, go on upload, browse, choose the file that you want to act as your word cloud. I'm going to click on apply, and it's going to start applying the picture down here. And it's going to start rendering all these words into that design. And obviously, you're going to add in words into your word list. So currently, it doesn't have any data available. But yeah, you're just going to add data like this. And once you add data like this, yeah, that's basically how you're going to add all the things. And as you can see, yeah, that's pretty much about it. And as I said, you're gonna add your shape of the design as well. And as you clearly see, starts adding the shape in the style of a T-Rex. Now, we can't really tell if it's a T-Rex, but trust me, it's the T-Rex image. So that's how you can basically create your own word clouds using Canva and Word Cloud Generator. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will see all of you wonderful people in the next video. Goodbye.